How to fix Rainbow Six Siege server connection error. For the first step, verify game files in Steam. Open up Steam, click Library, click Game, right click it, click Properties, click Install File, and click Verify Integrity of the game file. And wait for some time, it's actually verifying your game files. After completing, it will throw up the message successfully verified. After move on with next step. Search for command prompt, right click, click Run as Administrative, and type the following text ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Click enter. The next command ipconfig space slash release. Click enter. And the next command ipconfig space slash renew. Click enter. And the next command netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. The next command netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. At last exit it. After completing, come to next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click 11 app, the left hand side, and click the change settings. Scroll down and search for Rainbow Six Siege. Make sure you should enable in both private and public. After search for Steam. If it's not having means click allow another app. Click browse and you can add it. Go to C drive, program files. You get the Steam. Same like you can go to Steam applications. You get the Rainbow Six Siege. After enable both private and public and come to next step. Click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and reset your network. Thank you.